Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of a series called 9 Ways to Install APKs, in this video we'll see the 8th way to install the APK. So we are using custom scripts to install the APKs here. Okay, so we had to use a method called runtime.getRuntime.exe. Okay, this is a method in Java that allows application to run external systems. Okay, you'll see we use this method to install the APK. Okay, so click to open the Eclipse. Under the 9 ways to install APKs package, I create a new class and name this class as install APK by custom script. Okay, by using custom script. Click on finish. So simple. I copy the before test and after test annotation code from the sample class so that you can save the time. You copy that this one, paste it here and do the necessary changes. Just I am using this process so that we can save the time. Okay, update this. So, okay, so my class install APK by custom script. Okay, is ready with the uh, annotation that is a before test and after test. In before test, I have defined a method that is the setup. Sorry, I created a method called setup where I have defined the desired capabilities and I'm using the UI automator 2 option. So I have created the capabilities here is the set platform name, set automation name and set device name here. Okay, yes, pixel 6. Okay, and has under the annotation after test, I created a method called tear down. Here I am quitting the driver. Okay, simple. So simple, just install, I write a comment install APK by using custom script custom scripts. Okay, so simple. So I'm using the so we have to use this method here. So this is syntax here, runtime dot get runtime exe, and I had to use this command here. Okay, so quickly create the command here. So runtime dot get runtime dot exe. Okay, I need to provide a string here. Okay, that is a adb. Okay, hyphen yes, and just a minute here. So this is the command. Okay, and I had to go the device name, that is emulator name. How we can find the emulator name here? Okay, just keep this one and open the command prompt and just type adb devices. So this is the emulator name. Click on enter. Okay, copy paste here. Okay, and next is the install. I had installed it as install. Okay, and I need to provide the path of the APK file here. Okay, see this command here. So path of the APK file with the APK file name with the extension called APK here. Okay, the very simple one. Okay, so what I will create here, I create a variable called string and say as base path. Okay, here I use system dot get property user dot dri and / apk underscore files. Okay, so this is the base path and I had to provide the details of the so I create one more variable called string. I say apk path. Okay, here say base path is the name of the APK APK file to be installed. This is the I am installing the WDI demos app here. Okay, so get the name of this project. Become properties and get the name. So this is the name with the extension APK. That's it. Okay, so this APK path I need to provide here. That's it. Missing code. Yes, yes. Here I will missing it here. Yes. Okay, so our code is ready. Okay, so we are using the runtime.getRuntime.exe method to install the APK file. Okay, and we have used the adb space -s. This is emulator name. Okay, space install, and I have provided the full APK path with the APK name with extension, that is the APK here. Okay, that is the APK path, and just open. Okay, so I have to install the. So you observed it, WDIO app is not installed here. Okay, so before that one, I need to start the Appium server. So I just close this Appium server, and once again I start the Appium server here. Just wait for a few seconds. Our Appium server will start. This is a simple ways to install the APKs. Whichever the suitable way you can select here from 9 ways to install the APKs. Okay. Now right click, run as test engine test. You can observe that the WDI app will be installed here in our emulator here. Just a minute. What happened? The WDI app I have given here, but our APK is not installed. Let's see. Okay, it's Pixel 6, right? Yeah, it's Pixel 6. Net is given this pixel. Yeah, why it is not installed here? Okay, adb space fns emulator install. Okay, we'll use some space here. Okay, once again try to run it. Yeah, so we just missed the space here. Okay, the space we will provide. Otherwise, what happened? If we not provide the space, the install and the APK path will be jointed. The both words will be jointed here. Okay, the sentence. Okay, so we have to give the space after install here. Okay, so this is how we can able to install the APK file by using the custom script. That is the we are using the method called runtime got runtime dot get runtime dot exe. Okay, and we are using command adb space -s the emulator id space install space the path with the apk. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.